Welcome to WebStarters. Replacing string, word, character, or anything else on a page is a task that I do repeatedly. Sometimes it involves replacing a single thing, sometimes multiple occurrences of that thing. In this tutorial, we are going to do exactly that by using JavaScript and jQuery. Our list contains hyphens that are not needed there for these two allies. We are going to remove hyphens. This is the output for the page, and I have got jQuery linked with this document, and then our custom.js file. We will place our custom scripts in custom.js file here. So with jQuery document.ready function, let's select ulli.each function. So li that is inside ul, take all the li's and do something with each one of those. This dot text. Test. Save. So all li's changed. Text inside li changed. So this dot text, inside it we will use it like this dot text dot replace, and then we will use regex expression. We will find hyphen and we will remove it. Save. And the hyphen removed. Hyphen was removed. In case we want to replace hyphen with something else, we can do that. For example, if we choose to place something here, and the hyphen will be changed with that sign or that word or that character as well. Okay. What if this hyphen is a dot or period? What if we have to remove this period? Output is here. We want to remove this period now. So we will remove this hyphen and place period instead of hyphen here. We are removing period this time. So it didn't work. To make it work, we will need concatenation in this expression like this. Save. And now this will work. Period was removed. We also have another way of doing the same thing. Like this. So jQuery li contains dot or period dot text function underscore txt return txt dot replace period with empty space. Save. Refresh, and yes, it was gone. Underscore can be anything. It stores the index. It can be E. Save, and it will still work. We can log it. Console.log underscore this one. Refresh, and you see 0 and 1. For two li's, it found period, so it is logging 0, 1, 2 characters. If we had it here as well. Now periods are 3. Refresh. Now 0, 1, 2. And what if we have hyphen? Then we'll have to change hyphen here. Hyphen. Save. And hyphen was removed. Here's the hyphen. And now it is removed. So you can do something like this by using regex expression. Or you can do something like this. Contains CSS selector. But in both scenarios, replace is being used. Okay, now let's do it in vanilla JavaScript. We will just comment this code. And we have got hyphens. Let items document.query selector all. We want to select all elements, all LIs. Then we will declare a variable to store array. Let's say box is equal to empty array. Then for var I is equal to 0, I is smaller than items dot length I plus plus. Box dot push items I dot inner HTML. We are storing values from list in this array. Let's see how it looks like. Console.log box refresh, and as you can see, 0 milk, 1 sugar, 2 eggs, 3 butter. So we have got the values stored in this box, and then box for each item index all items, fat arrow all items index item dot replace, similar thing, regex expression. We are finding hyphen from the item, and then we are replacing it with nothing, with empty space. So here is a mistake. That is this one. Or in case of period, we will do it like this. But right now we don't have period, we have hyphen, so we'll comment it. So let's see, by using this method, items in array have been updated or not. Console log box, refresh, and yes, hyphens have been removed here. See, there are hyphens. But by using this method, hyphens were removed. We can see the item, the index, all items separately as well. Let me show you. Box for each function, item index all items. Let's console log these. Save, refresh. Now you can see milk 0 and then all items. So this is item and this is index and then all items. Milk item 0 index, all items. Then sugar item 1 index, all items. Right? If we see for each at MDN web docs, it is like this. For each element index array, I am doing this here. Item index array. Okay, so now we will update the list by using values from updated array. We got this list and stored it in the array. We updated the array. Now it's time to update this list in DOM. To do that, we will use join. Define a variable and then start it with the list. We will populate the list, all items. We will populate all items with starting tag of li and closing tag of li, and then we will insert that list in ul tag. So li box dot join, closing tag li, starting tag li, and then closing tag li. And then let's insert this list in ul. Document.querySelector ul, and then its inner HTML should be this list that we created here. Save, refresh, and now it was gone. And in case of period, save, we will have to change the strategy now. Instead of this, we will have to use this with this concatenation. Save, refresh, and the dots are gone. Back to hyphens, refresh, and the hyphens were gone. So these are a couple of ways from many others you can replace this with that. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.